Hedera Hashgraph holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Hedera update. What surprise changes occur in Hedera? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you're new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, so please subscribe now. Guys, at this time, if we talk about the right now price of Hedera, so 0.352938 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Hedera. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the changes of Hedera, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes going wrong in Hedera Hashgraph, guys. Unfortunately, from the last 7 days, I found Hedera Hashgraph price completely going in the loss, guys. Here if you look the last 3 days price chart of Hedera, so you can see here, but here if you look the last 11 October changes of Hedera, so you can see here that gradually slowly the price of Hedera Hashgraph start pumping, guys. And guys, I think now my prediction is also going positive about Hedera. I believe, guys, that for a long time Hedera will continue pumping, guys. So that's why I'm going positive about Hedera Hashgraph. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.